Hi, this is Aziz Khan with you with another video. Basically, a friend of mine asked me for a little help. Basically, he has a pathloss network and he want to add a kind of informative text. Just for example, if I open a network and I will just give you an idea. For example, this is your map and for example, you want to add something here or anywhere, I mean you want to give a kind of you want to use it to give some idea to your customer. For example, you want to write something here that okay, this area is the dash area kind of thing. Now basically path laws don't give you any such thing. I want to write something here. uh, I want to write some area name here, then pathloss don't give me a kind of a text box that I can put here. I mean, there is no insert or no any such thing that I can put here. So, but I was thinking that there is a small thing came to my mind, and I thought to share it with everyone. Now, for example, I want to write any information here so that when I make a printout of this area or whatever, I mean, if I want to show it to someone, I want to show him that okay, this is what I mean. So one way to help him out, I mean, so I thought one what we can do is, for example, I add a site here. Okay, I should put the site at a place. Uh, I okay. So from here, this naming should start. I mean, I put it at some place from where I can start writing, and I have some enough place to write something. And here, in place of a site name, I can write that this area is called dash. This area is called whatever, or whatever you want to write here. But you should be limited. I mean, you should be limited to this text box only. You cannot make a name bigger than this. But still, it has almost 23 characters. So not a bad choice. I mean, you have 23 characters to put a name, and if these don't help you, we can even find another way to increase the characters as well. But just assume that 23 characters are fine for you. I mean, so you add this site. This is a site name. This is again, you can change the name, and you said yes. Now, currently, this is not looking very good. I mean, it's looking kind of weird. That okay. So let's do some magic with it. So let's select this site and let's uh, go to site attribute. Now we can do two things. One is that we should color this white so that this should be gone. The other thing is that we can increase the name. We can even make it bold or italic or whatever so that you can give it any kind of look which looks good to you. So now we see that this is looking good, and okay, let me change it further. I forgot. This is a solid fill with color. Okay, and the color is white. Okay, remove the solid fill, keep the color as same, we increase the size, and now we see that the site icon is gone. So now it looks like that this is some kind of text box, and here we can put a name. Now one thing that came to my mind right after I made it, that it will not be a wise thing to keep this always showing. I mean, it depends. I mean, so there is another way. If you want to show these or you don't want to show these in some different times, so what option I came to my mind is that you go to configure and groups, and then you go to add. You add new groups. So you make a new group. You can make the name of group whatever you like. I can call it text boxes. I mean, it's up to you, whatever name you want to give. And in these text boxes, let me just add this one site. Okay, and I say yes. Now assume that you put these kind of many areas, and all these sites you add in this text box. For example, if I make another site, and then I can again go to configure groups, add, and then from here I can take this new group text boxes, and then I can add those new sites in this group. So this group may have many sites. Now whenever you don't want to show this, you just go to configure groups, set visibility, and then you remove the visibility of text boxes. So now this site is not visible. So in your normal working, you can even remove this text box, and whenever you like, you can just go and groups and set visibility. You can bring back. So I feel that this should help my friend, and anyone else who ever needs anything. If you want to work on any idea, or you are struggling with anything, you can just send me a small message, and I can try to help you with whatever way I could be able to help you. So I hope that this video should be a good addition in your knowledge of path loss and how we can use it for our requirements. So see you in my next video. So goodbye.